Hey everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping 2021 Leaf Valiant Baseball Hobby 6-box break number 2, random teams. Here we go, good luck. We'll randomize 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jared S. down to Takuma K. And 6 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Braves down to Twins. All right, we have Jared S. Braves, Paul K. Cardinals, Zach D. Red Sox, Russell G. Guardians, Christopher J. Rangers, Bobby D. Orioles, Nick N. Angels, G. Chen Astros Padres, Brian J. Reds, Daniel M. Nationals, Nick N. Giants, David A. Marlins, Edward P. Cubs, Jacob C. Rockies, Craig K. Rays, John W. Mets A's, G. Chen Dodgers, Matthew N. Blue Jays, Alex W. Pirates, Matthew N. Royals, John C. Mariners, Liway H. Brewers, Carl P. D-backs, Kevin L. Tigers, Anthony P. Phillies, Benjamin V. White Sox, C. Lou Yankees, and Takuma K. Twins. All right, I'll post and print the results, and we'll get this started. All right, results are posted to the website. Here comes the link. Yeah, I get it. I mentioned this a week or two ago, but I used to have to buy the Cubs in breaks chasing Chris Bryant for my son. So I get it. Let's do this. We are just a little over a month out from release day for Bowman's Best Baseball. I can't wait for that. Less than 2 weeks out from the release of Top Series 1. By the time I'm done ripping 2023 Top Series 1, I'm going to have forearms like Popeye.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Have so much fun.
That is Jose Perdomo. Green auto. That's a lot of Perdomos. Wow. I thought I'd be like slick and just type in the last name. Nope. I don't know why he wasn't showing up in the search results. He was released, but he was a Mariner. He was signed by the Mariners and played in their farm system. That was not numbered. That's why he wasn't on there. This is Oswald Peraza, Honor Guard Orange. Go, that should be Yanks to 99. Yep, there you go, Yankees. Nice one. And auto, that is Pro Set auto, Luis Matos. Padres, I think. Giants. That was close. This is Rangers, Phenoms. Platinum Blue Auto, Jack Leiter to 35. There you go. Nice one, Rangers. This is Brewers. Orange Auto, Robert Gasser. 9.5 gem mint with a 9 auto, numbered to 99. Oh, maybe just a little smudge there or something. The ink didn't flow quite as smoothly as it maybe could have. I guess that's the reason for the 9 auto. There you go, Brewers. That is Carson Williams, purple auto, Rays. Tampa Bay. That is numbered to 50. And Cooper Kenny, green auto, also Rays, right? Yep, Tampa Bay going back to back. This is Dodgers, orange auto, Jake Vogel, numbered to 99. Dodgers. And Gabriel Moreno, Blue Jays. That is navy blue auto to 75. Nope. D-backs. Oh, he was a part of that Dalton Varsho trade. Yeah. This is orange. Prismatic orange pre-production proof 1 of 1 Ryan Cusick. That is A's. How did he end up in A?
Was he in Brew?
He was drafted by the Braves. Oh, he came over to the A's as part of that Matt Olson trade. Yeah, this is why I don't assume I know on any of them, because a lot of those trades and stuff, they're just so hard to keep track of. Like, I pay attention when they happen, but then some of the players, the minor leaguers especially, don't hear anything else about them for quite a while. That is Gunnar Hoglund, honor guard green. That is A's. Might have to uncombo the A's in future breaks of this. They're combo team in this, right? Yeah. Huh. This is Cardinals, Fearless Phenoms purple, Michael McGreevy. This is to 50. That's honor guard orange, Matt Nelson. Matt with 1 T. Oh, that's Reds. Yeah. That's Matthew Nelson.
What's he gonna make Brew?
Cardinals. This is Red Sox, Fearless, Platinum Blue Auto, Marcelo Meyer. Nice one, Red Sox to 35. Gunner or Jet? I think Jet. But yeah, Cutter's a pretty good one. So is Robert Gasser. That is Rockies. Platinum Blue, Honor Guard Auto, Benny Montgomery, 9.5 Gem Mint with a 10 auto number to 35. All right. There we go. That is Jordan Wicks. Auto, that is Cubs. That's something's weird with that sleeve. That is to 99. So I'm going to take that out of the sleeve and put it in a new sleeve. Card looks fine. It's just that sleeve was kind of mangled. I'm going to double check that Wicks. I'm positive that that's Cubs, though. Yeah. Because there's a Jordan Hicks for the Cardinals. It's Jordan Hicks and Jordan Wicks. Cardinals, Cubs. That is Anthony Gutierrez. Lion-Hearted Purple. Should be Rangers. Yep. Texas. It's numbered to 50. And to 75, that is Chase Petty. Auto navy blue. Chase Petty. That's Reds. Yeah, same here. I wouldn't want to receive one like that, so just put it in a fresh sleeve and be done with it. That's Colton. Whoa. No idea what was making that happen. It's Colton Cowser, Lion-Hearted Green. Auto. There you go. Just double checking him. Orioles. Yeah, Orioles. Nice. Oh, nice hit O's. And A's. That is black auto. Robert Poisson. 9-5 gem mint with a 9 auto, number 2 of 5. It's the second of his autos to 5 pulled so far. First one was in our first 6-boxer. This is Red Sox auto, Blaze Jordan. Nice one, Boston to 75. We got Blaze and Marcelo both. And is he a national now? Robert Hassel, Light-Hearted Pink. Yep, he was part of that Soto trade. So he is a national. Yeah, let's get you a pirate. That is Cody Morissette. Purple auto. Was a Marlin. Let's see if he's still there. Yep, still a Marlin. Purple to 50. This is Jordan Lawler, pink auto. Or purple, pink or purple. That is to 25. Should be D-backs. Yep, still Arizona. Until they trade him to the Cardinals. I'm on board with that. And this is Cardinals autograph, pre-production proof, clear black, 1 of 1, Nolan Gorman. There you go, St. Louis. Nice one. Is the pre-production proof. All right, last box. We have 2 more of these 6-boxers, and that'll be it for the day. There's Tigers. Auto, navy blue to 75, Riley Green. Nice one, Detroit. That's another one hoping to see on the top Series 1 checklist. This is purple auto, Ethan Wilson. 50. That is Phillies. And green auto, Steve Hajar. Reds. This is Fearless Phenoms. Orange auto, Brian Acuna. Twins. That is to 99. This next one's nice. Closing it out. Royals. Fearless Phenoms Auto Purple. Bobby Witt Jr. That is 9.5 gem mint with a 10 auto numbered to 50. There are some scuffs and scratches on that slab, but the card itself, 9.5, 10. 22 of 50. We'll send you an empty box, Royals. That slab is pretty scuffed up enough that that might significantly impact the value of this gem mint card. So we'll send you an empty box. I'm not sure if you can replace it, but just in case, we'll send it to you. Leaf has pretty awesome customer service. So, but that'll do it for the break. Give me a second here, and we'll do a hit recap. Yeah, you bet, Wahoos. Appreciate you joining. Glad your friend got a super earlier too. That's awesome. I think that was you that mentioned that, right? All right. So we had Mariners, green Jose Perdomo, and then Yankees, Oswald Peraza, Giants, Luis Matos, Rangers, Jack Leiter. All right, see you, Alex. Yeah, hopefully you get something out of those. But yeah, appreciate it, man. Hoping you come back, luck turns around. It's Carson Williams, Rays, and then Cooper Kinney, Rays, Dodgers, Jake Vogel, D-backs, Gabriel Moreno, A's, Gunnar Hoglund, Reds, Matt Nelson, Red Sox, Marcelo Meyer, Cardinals, Michael McGreevy, Cubs, Jordan Wicks, Rangers, Anthony Gutierrez, Reds, Chase Petty, Orioles, Colton Cowser, Red Sox, Blaze Jordan, Nationals, Robert Hassel, Marlins, Cody Morissette, D-backs, Jordan Lawler, Tigers, Riley Green, Phillies, Ethan Wilson, Reds, Steve Hajar, Twins, Brian Acuna, Cardinals, that is 1 of 1, autograph pre-production proof, Nolan Gorman. A's, 1 of 1, autograph pre-production proof, Ryan Cusick. Brewers, this was Robert Gasser, orange auto to 99, 959. Then Rockies, 35, that's Benny Montgomery. Platinum blue honor guard auto, 95, yeah, 9510, number to 35. A's, number to 5, that is black auto, Robert Poisson. 9510 on that, and then a 9510 for the Royals, Bobby Witt Jr. Purple auto. That was numbered to 50, and we are sending a box with this one because that slab's pretty scuffed up. But all right, that'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. We have 6 box number 3 coming up.